Hello friends. In this video, we can see how can we integrate font family into an HTML file. Let's start. Here I have an HTML design for a resume template. First of all, download the font family. Here I am going to use a Code Pro font family. I am downloading this font family. After downloading font family, extract it in your project directory. Here I am deleting unnecessary files. Let's integrate this downloaded font family. You can use font face to add font family. In font family you can use any name that is best for you, and in SRC you need to give path for font family file. Here I have two font family, that's why I am using two font face. You can see the font family of the text is changed. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.